Come to Papa.
Hey, young lady, do you need help with something?
Yes, just going to the bathroom.
Well, you're going in the wrong direction. Bathroom is that way.
Oh yes, I know, I'm just getting something from my locker.
Okay. Well, when you do go, be very careful of the wet floor. Okay?
Yes, sir.
One of the toilets overflowed.
Ew.
Okay, guys, come on, everybody.
Let's go. Let's go. Everyone just remain calm. Remember what we practiced during the fire drill. Okay? All the other students and teachers evacuated on the west side. Hopefully we'll get an update soon.
What's up, gents? Well, aren't you glad I got us out of that pop quiz?
Can't believe you actually did that.
Oh, and to add on, I also didn't get caught.
Yeah.
We'll see about that.
Violy. There you are. I was just inside looking for you. How long have you been out here?
Well, I've been here since we evacuated. You didn't notice?
No. Anyway, I just spoke with Principal Donkey. It sounds like we're gonna be out here for a little while longer.
Dang it. I was looking forward to that pop quiz.
Pop quiz? Oh, do you mean the
Mr. James, can I speak to you for a moment?
Yes, of course, Principal Donkey.
What do you think they're talking about?
The better question is, what rides are we going on when we get to Legoland?
I was thinking about that earlier. There's more to life than just skipping tests and going to amusement parks.
No, there isn't.
Oh my god.
Violy, he's right. You can't just expect to always get away without being caught.
As my dad always says, running away from problems just makes them worse.
Well, my dad says that the moon is made of cheese. What's your point?
His point is to stop pulling more pranks, or else you won't be able to come to Legoland with us.
Yeah, and your mom might even take away your tablet again.
You know what? Instead of being grateful, you guys are making me feel bad for what I did.
All right, well, we're just waiting for the fire department to finish their rounds and make sure that everybody's safe.
The fire department's here?
Yeah. They respond to every fire alarm.
Right.
Well.
Mr. James, this is Captain Stoll. He's going to be asking everybody some questions today.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So looks like it was a false alarm. It's not the first time this has happened today. So, I need to gather some more info. What you and your class doing right before the alarm went off?
Well, I had just handed everybody some paperwork. A teacher came in, told me about what happened at Chesterfield, and then. That's about all I can remember.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. James.
Of course.
Hey, you know what? I actually did give Violy the key to the bathroom.
You did.
Yeah. Violy, did you see anything?
No, actually, I heard someone running down the hall before the fire alarm went off, but that's all I remember.
All right. Well, Captain Stoll, could you show us what you found so far?
Of course, follow me.
You too, Violy.
Me? Why?
Because you said you were the last one in the hall, right? So, maybe you could provide some insight to us. Let's go.
Okay, none of that. I'll be right back.
Jeffy.
Yeah.
Any luck?
Yes. Actually, I was able to get the camera started right when the fire alarm went off.
Great.
You were?
Yeah. I thought I was gonna need more time, but I figured it out.
Great.
Here we go. Ah. It looks like the camera started right after everyone started walking away.
Phew. Lucky me. Phew, luckily everyone's okay.
Violy. Think. What else was happening in the hallway when you were here?
Let me retrace my steps. So, I left Mr. James' classroom. Then I went to the bathroom.
Hey, everybody, does anybody know what happened yet?
Not yet. Violy is explaining what was happening. She went to the bathroom.
That's odd. I was in there fixing the toilet when the alarm went off. I didn't see you.
Well, that's because I went into the boys' room.
You did what?
Well, you see, Dorian told me that the toilets were overflowing, so I decided to use the boys' restroom.
That's true. I did tell him.
See?
But the key that you took was for the grill's bathroom. Are you Principal Donkey?
Yes, I am.
I got the fingerprinting kit. Now we can see who the suspect really is.
Wonderful. It's right here.
Thank you. Violy. You were saying?
What? What was I saying?
Violy, if you had a key to the girls' restroom, how did you get into the boys' restroom?
Well, you see there was a boy and he came out of the restroom, so I decided to sneak inside. I'm sorry. That was wrong.
I don't know, that all sounds a little odd.
Violy, if you are covering up for someone else, you, young lady, are in big, big trouble.
I'm telling you everything I know, I swear.
Principal.
Yes.
We didn't find any prints, but we did notice something odd. Can you come over and take a look?
Of course.
It looks like creme dip.
Creme dip? You. Violy. You were eating Oreos in my classroom.
What? No. See, look, my hands are clean.
That's because you just rubbed it all over your shirt.
That explains why there isn't any prints. He used his shirt to pull the alarm.
Oh, Violy, how could you do that? Especially after all that we've been through.
Please, just don't tell my mum. I didn't think all this was gonna happen. I just pulled it because I didn't want to do the pop quiz, and I just wanted to go to Legoland with my friends.
Pop quiz?
Yeah.
No, Violy, no. I just wanted to play a game with you all.
A game? Are you serious? You mean I did this for nothing?
Violy, you're coming to my office right now.
No, please. I'm sorry.
Actually, I have to stop there, Principal.
Thank you, officer. Thank you. You don't know how much I appreciate that.
Violy's actually gonna come with us.
What?
Pulling the fire alarm is a serious crime. You didn't know that?
A crime?
Yes, it is. I'm gonna take you downtown. Cuff him.
Yes, sir, turn around.
No, 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 no.
It's okay.
No, please.
Oh, don't worry about it, it's gonna be all right.
No. Don't take me, let me go. Let me go.
What's going on?
What are you doing, Violy?
Your
Jet.
friend's under arrest for pulling the fire alarm.
Caillou, help me, man. Violy. Mum, I can explain.
I was in the neighborhood and I heard that the alarm went off.
Ma'am, it seems like your daughter is the one who pulled it.
What?
Mum, please don't take away my tablet. And don't ground me, I just wanna go to Legoland with my friends.
That is what you're most worried about? You should be worried about going to juvie. I'll meet her at the court.
Yes,
What?
Mom.
No, no, Mum. Please, Mum. No. I'm not going. Let me go. Let me go. No. Caillou, Jet, Derek, help.
All I can say is, running from your problems just makes them worse.